Welcome, Acapella.
Thanks a bunches.
Is it a bunches? For someone give us more Acapella, I don't really know how very skillful you are with the vocals. I don't know, but I just feel that sometimes comedians try to call themselves what they are not.
Oh no, I used to do music. Acapella was from the father. I used to do music, but the past is the past.
Okay, now in the future.
Again, yeah.
So what kind of music did you do before?
Acapella kind of music.
Really?
Yeah. I used to belong to an acapella group years, some 23 years ago, and that was where I got the nickname from Acapella.
Ah.
Yes.
If you not talk, I don't go know.
Yeah.
Well, which part of the they do baritone? They do
tenor, yeah.
Ah. Is there like inside group or tenor. Just solo?
Eh?
Is there inside group? I've been a solo.
Yeah, in a group will be 5 now. You know, like a acapella group has to be. You get treble or tenor bass. Yeah.
You get something way people the ginger about on top of social media, especially on top of X.
Okay.
Now the women, no. They said they want only women exclusive gym.
Okay.
Now, first of all, as a man, you dey go gym or you no dey go gym?
I dey go gym.
1, thank you. Number 2, when you dey go gym, women they distract you with what they wear?
Yes, a lot.
Good. Do you feel like you should be left alone? Like this, men should be left alone, or you still want to be with the women?
No, I want to be left alone.
You want to be with the men?
Men
exclusive gym.
Oh yes.
Why?
Based on the way the thing they go now, because these days once you enter gym, right, you never know where to pass. You just won't cross from one weight to another. Get on camera everywhere, and they go the verse say you they pass.
That's it too.
Like as a poor vanish, and you know they even know say the camera even day.
Please don't crack me.
As a put camera here, this one the verse. As you say, me follow the other side. They say, hey, don't enter my video. You know, so the feeling is mutual.
So you as a person now, you feel like yes, as women the ginger said they get women only gym. Men said they get men only gym.
Gym fee construct something like floor levels. Lower floor men, upper floor women, the figure.
So we go there flawless.
You understand? You understand? Because in all honesty, the gym these days has become like a venue for content creation. Oh, everybody they show as they carry the muscle. Everybody they show, which is amazing.
You don't understand?
You know, user call the same man who pass.
You don't. You
make
get
this
the
guy
point
no pass. You go one pass to move to the next. You feel stand for more than 30 seconds to 1 minute.
They on TikTok
because
live.
they wait somebody where they do on TikTok. One guy they do boxing the other day for gym.
Yeah. Right?
As people they do like what they call jumping jacks. People they jump. The guy they shout, "You are entering my life. You are entering my." So Mo die because you dey life.
Mo die because you dey life. We know that women normally, when then they are just 1 or 2 with surgery, now normal thing. Society don't normalize them. But how striking and shocking it be to see your fellow man, start to adjust 1 or 2 on his body, especially the face, the nose, the face, you know what I mean. You know what I'm going to talk about. But I'll leave you to talk. I'll leave you to say it.
Oh no!
Impact of seeing such for our society. Men now, where done they adjust 1 or 2 for face. How you be?
I feel like if on each video, I'm Obosi self they allowed. Obosi they allowed. Anything we make on each say na right. Obosi is also allowed to do it.
It's allowed.
Yes, if a guy feels some type of way in some part, because that's what it has been.
But you know who?
Oh yeah, of course I know who.
All right.
If the guy sees himself and feels like he has to do some adjustment to himself, women don't do that one self since see the Asian guy will sue his wife because she been do facial surgery. By the time the woman got the bond, the children called it resemble who she be before.
Oh yeah.
That was on the news, right? They called it resemble who she be before. You understand? So when the children see their mother, they call themselves pretty cool. The woman know they.
You see the throwback.
It's pretty cool. Mama they say as how they say now like this you mean now here they come from this, So if he feels like he's having some low self-esteem, some part of his and he can afford it and it is safe. Who am I?
How confident you dey with your own body in your own skin?
No, I'm 100%. On extreme, if there is anything like 101, I do okay.
No need to add, subtract.
Okay. When I was younger, right, I used to wish I was taller. And
like
so
me?
Yeah.
Like
where you go reach, like
tall like me, right?
You will see the growth.
No, we're all growing. Come on. I mean, we're all learning. We're all growing. Yeah,
no, be that grow at the talk.
No, we're all growing.
We're not learning and growing. So there's this guy will make me change my perception. Like I no can't care again. The guy that time for our area, the guy na tall, fine, gallant guy, and my friend. So one day I tell the guy, say, oh, Bob, if I get this kind height, they like if I enter somewhere, what I go do that time, many years ago, now the guy asked me, say, this one where you get, what he does and do. And the thing struck me like, and today if me and that guy enter somewhere now, and me they go notice.
So that means you don't use your height to do something now.
Hey, do you understand?
A round of applause for him.
Chook Pounds. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.